Okay, we have a Hardinge vertical machining center, model VMC 800, Roman numeral 2. Serial number NVB238. Machine is new in 2000. We have FANUC OMD control, and we are running her. The machine has 31.5-inch X travel, 20-inch Y, and 20-inch Z. 40 taper, up to 8,000 RPM. That's 2,500 RPM. You have telescopic weight, covers all axes.
4,500.
4,500 RPM. Going up.
6,500.
6,500 RPM. All right. Machine has a automatic tool changer that's 20 station. Right now it's indexing, simulating a tool change. Do another. Okay, again, the machine is a FANUC OMD control with FANUC servos, ball screws, all axes. That's your x-axis travel. The table is 20 by 36.4. That's your Y. Again, your Y is actually 20.08 or 20 inch in the Y. And that's your Z. You have 20.08 in the Z, or 20 inches in the Z. So you've heard the X, Y, and the Z travel. You've heard the spindle up to 6,500 RPM, and you've simulated a tool change. The machine is also pre-wired for 4-axis if you wanted to add another axis rotary table on. But hey, thank you for watching our video.